welcome again. This is Tokwe here, and this is another video on the pre-market analysis. So I have this setup right here on the Bitcoin that I'm trying to get into. As you can see, the market is about to tap me into it, and yeah, we'll see. So I'm just trying to sell from here because we have this inducement here, and this is an area where this is an area of like this is another block here, and it was responsible for shifting the market into a bearish market, and it was responsible for all these dumps. So it's a good area to sell from, and it has an inducement also. So that's the reason why I am selling, and my take profit is around here because this is another other block here, and I don't go against other blocks. Even though I have this I have this setup here that I'm trying to buy from, that I'll be trying to buy from if market should get there. I have another setup here. There's another block here that there's a 1 hour order block. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame so you can see it properly. And there's a 1 hour order block. You can see this last order block that was responsible for this break of structure. We have that 1 hour order block, and after we broke structure, you see the retest. That's the inducement for this particular order block. So I'm trying to take a sell here. From here, let me do this properly. Okay, so this is the inducement here, and I'm trying to take a sell from here, and we're targeting this. So this is the order block on the 1 hour time frame, and my stop is here. Sorry guys, and my stop is here, and I'll be targeting here. Even though I'm anticipating the price will come here, I'll be targeting here, and it's 124, and I'll be targeting here, and when we come here I can buy it back. So we'll see how that plays out. So that's my pre-market analysis on gold, and pre-market analysis on Bitcoin. So on gold, yeah, y'all can see this trade hit TP. I think I made a video about it this morning. I made a video about it, and this trade, I was supposed to be in this trade, but even though like I said it on the video that I posted this morning, that if market should come here, I have another inducement and I have another area here, and my stop is going to be below here. I was supposed to be in this trade, but I was sleeping, so I kind of missed. I didn't think when I went to bed, the market was around this place, so I forgot to set the sell limit because I didn't think the market will actually have this kind of volume. See this one candle, so it came down, tapped me in, and you see my stop on this trend line. Even though the other block is here, my stop is on this trend line. That's like that's something I developed personally, trading this type of pair and trend line with the strategy that I trade. So this, my stop will be below this, and you can see it's 1 to 2.8. It's a pretty good trade. If I was taking this trade, I would be up about 1.6.5 or something there. So yeah, it is what it is. So on gold right now, I'm currently I don't have any setup on gold right now, so we'll see. On GJ, we have this opening range gap here. Right here we have the inducement for the opening range gap, and if we should drop down to the so on DJ, I have two scenarios. I have another block here on the 15-minute time frame. Let me drop down to the 15-minute time frame. I have this other block here, this candle that was responsible for breaking this structure, and we have the inducement and everything here. I have this other block here, and I have the inducement here. So ideally, taking a buy from this place, I would if price should come to this place first before going up here, I'll take a buy from this place, and I'll take profit around here, anticipating that price will come and trigger this sell here and continue selling. But if price should come here, I will take a sell, framing it with this trend line, but I will need to wait for a confirmation because I have this liquidity on the top of my area. But the reason why I'll be taking this trade in the first place is that there is this opening gap, and with my experience with opening range gap, it always serves as a support or resistance, and right now we have not tested it. You see we have this opening gap right here, and this opening gap is on the 4-hour time frame. I think I said something about it on the first video that I uploaded on Monday. So and when we drop down to the 15-minute time frame, we have another block inside it. So the correlation of this particular setup is very, very sweet, and we have the inducement also. So I have inducement on both setup, and I'll just be taking the trades. If we should come here first, I'll be taking this trade and selling from here. So anyone that happens, if we should sell from here, I will not be taking this trade again. I will be selling from here, and if we should be coming down, I will just put my take profit around here, but I will not be buying from here again, because this is obviously the trend is bearish. But if we should come here first, I would look to buy from here. I think I already set the limit on my MT5 or something, because I'll soon be going to bed, and the market might just drop, and because this is a pair that also moved during the Asia section, and during the Asia session I'm in Nigeria, so I sleep during the Asia section. So on this pair I already set the buy limit here, and I'll be buying. But I think right now we'll go and set another sell limit here, because I don't actually know. But I think I would wait for the risk reaction before I go to bed. If this serves as a let me show you to you, this is another push price to come and tap me here, or it can serve as a support after breaking down and to go here. So that's what I'll be doing on this pair. And on Euro JBP, I don't have trade. I still need this to come and break this line right here. I need a break of structure down side before I trade, and if I don't have any break of structure, I don't have a trend. So that's it. And on crude oil, yeah, this sell is still very, very active on crude oil, and as you can see, we even broke this, and I'm looking to come and clear all this trend line liquidity here. So yeah, so that's the trade on crude oil, and I entered this trade the same time with the gold, and this is also 1 to 4.5, approximately 4.5, and it's still growing. So yeah, the beginning of this week is pretty good. I have this, even though I didn't participate in this, but this was also a winning trade. And if you listened to what I said and you took this trade, you'll be in profit right now, because exactly what I said it was going to. That was exactly what I said. Because I said I will be buying from here, but my stop is going to be on this trend line right here, because I feel like the market might drop down just to come close to this trend line, because the market is obviously in a bullish trend line here on lower time frame. So still respecting that trend line, and this has delivered what it's supposed to deliver. It has pushed price down, so we'll see what happens. So yeah, if you are new here, subscribe, put a notification on, so when I post a video you see it. And I post this pre-market analysis every day, and yeah, just share it to someone that you feel like can benefit from the channel, and let's grow together. See ya on the next video. Bye bye.